Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an adjustment layer, black and white adjustment layer. Then I'll go ahead and increase the reds and the yellows. I'm going to take the reds up to about 70 or 90 thereabout. I'll pick 78 and I'll increase the yellows as well to about 90. Okay, you can take the reds to 80. All right, so the next thing I'll do is I'll invert this layer here. Okay, so I can click Command I to invert. There we go. Then I just want the whiteness to be on the teeth. So I'll go ahead and pick up my brush tool. I'll make sure the opacity and the flow is at 100%, and I'll make sure my foreground color here is white, so it's going to reveal what I'll be doing. I'll click on the arrow here, or you can click on X to switch between the colors. Okay, so I'll go ahead and paint on the teeth to reveal the white color. All right, so here we go. We're making our teeth white. So if while doing this and you make a mistake by painting on the lips, you can go ahead and just switch back the colors. You can click the arrows or you click X and just paint it back to hide that. Take it away. Okay. And just switch it back to X and go ahead and do your teeth. And if this seems too white or unrealistic, what you can do is you can reduce the opacity. Just take it down from 100, and this still looks better, right? You can adjust it however you want. I think 80% looks good. This looks better than what you have before. So this is it. We've been able to whiten our teeth in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, share to your friends, and hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.